Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a good project which is named as the TRX SG community. Okay, so guys, I'm going to explain about this website today in this video. So keep watching the video till the end. Okay, so guys, firstly, the TRX.SG community provides a potentially cost-effective mining method for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, whether it's quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. Okay, so without further ado, let me introduce how to register first. So for registering, you need to click on the registration link under the video and enter your phone number, then enter your password. Also, then enter your password again for the confirmation. Then you have to put the invitation code. Then you have to put the verification captcha to register. Okay, so also it's emphasized that the password must be remembered and must be not disclosed to others, because password is not only used to log in but also withdraw cash from your account. So also it's advised to keep your password safe. If you lose it, you won't be able to retrieve it. Okay, so let us also register. So now guys, as you can see, I've registered on the platform given TRX.SG. It's the best platform for investing in TRX. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to tell you about all the things in this website. How are you going to do all the things in this website to generate a stable income at this website? Okay, so guys, firstly what you'll have to do is I'll just click on the news option. You can see here that the details are given of the website, which are given here. Okay, so guys, you can see it here. So you can see the customer service links are given here. Telegram and WhatsApp both are given at the rate TRXCSR. So this is the Telegram of this website. Then the WhatsApp is also given. So also cloud mining provides a potentially cost-effective way of mining Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, whether it's quantitative trading or DeFi technology, you can easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. Okay, so guys, you can generate a stable income here. Also, the after successful registration, your account wallet will receive 100 TRX reward at your website. Okay, so I'll click on okay here. So guys, what you'll have to do in this website is that you have to invest in TRX. Okay, TRX mining machines, you have to buy TRX mining machines and invest on that. So as you can see in the screen recording given, that level 1 mining machine, level 2 and level 3. Okay, so these are the three levels of investing in the website. Okay, so you have to purchase the level 1 mining machine. What you have to do is you have to purchase the mining machine, and you can generate a stable income from that per day. And you can get a stable insurance, okay, per day, like 6% of to 6% to 8% of the money you deposited you can get per day. Okay, so this is the best website, this for TRX investing. If you want to invest in TRX, this is the best time also, because the TRX rate is too low right now, and when the rates are increased, you can withdraw the TRX in your bank account. Okay, so you guys, I'll just tell you about the market is you can see that the 3 levels mining machine, and you can buy this. So guys, if we talk about the level 1 mining machine, so the daily dividend is 2%, and this will run for 3 days, and computation power is mining is running, and power consumption is also power is running. Okay, so you can generate a increase revenue of 0.5% here. Okay, level 2 is like a 2.5% daily dividend cycle is 3 day, and computational power mining running, and power consumption is running. Okay, and it can bring you about revenue about 0.5%. You can click on the buy button to buy the machines. Okay, so you have to pay 500 TRX for buying the level 1 mining machine. Okay, so guys, if I click on home, you can see that clock in, how to buy, invite friends. These three options are coming on your way. So also you can see the customer care option on the top of the website, and you can click on that to contact the customer service if you have any queries. So if you click on clock in, you can check in the website every day, and you can get some like TRX rewards. Okay, if I click on start clocking here, success to check in, you can see has been punched in continuously, so we have received a 1 TRX account. Okay, in our account, you can see the total account balance is now 101 TRX. Okay, so guys, you can see here all the things. I'll just also demonstrate you how to recharge in the website. Also guys, I'm going to tell you about the mining revenue. So whatever mining revenue you generate every day by receiving the money of you invested in the TRX mining machines, you can see here total mining revenue and other income also you can see. which is about invite friends. I'm going to tell you about that. Please wait. Okay, recruit, and there will be an option of my account balance is 101 TRX, number of mining machines is 0. Then guys, you find two options, the main options, recharge and withdraw. These are the main options in the website. Health fund also you get, you can get a health fund, like buy, you can buy a health fund by the website. The user info is the TRX address, you can set your TRX address here. Then the login password you can change, and you can change the login password you generated for the website, and the transaction password also you can change it directly from the website. Okay, also you can download their app, which is given. Okay, so you can also download their app like this. Okay, so now guys, I'll just tell you more about the website. So now guys, I'm going to demonstrate in front of you how to recharge in the platform given trx.sg. So how to deposit in the application, I'll just explain you about that. So for that you have to click on the recharge button, and what you'll have to do is you can see a address here given. So what you'll have to do is to copy the address given, and then what you'll have to do is to enter the correct recharge amount to which you are reaching, and then upload a screenshot of the transfer. Okay, so what I'll do is, now I'll recharge in front of you. I'll copy the address again. I'll go on my application, which is CoinDCX. I'm recharging from this application. Okay, so I'll go on CoinDCX. I'll transfer in front of you. I'll go on my investments, and what I'll do is, you can see that I have some TRX with me right now, and what I'll do is click on Centron. So I'll paste the destination address here, TRX amount as 10 TRX, and then I'll paste the withdrawal password here. Okay, so now what we'll do is to click on proceed and pay the money. So now guys, I have recharged successfully in the application. What I'll do is I'll enter the correct amount and I'll paste the screenshot here. Okay, so wait. So now guys, I have recharged in the application successfully. 10 TRX has been recharged in my account. So I'll show you how to do all the things. You have to purchase a mining machine, level 1 mining machine. These three are too expensive, so we can't buy it right now, obviously. But I'm going to tell you about the application. I'll show you how to withdraw your TRX which you deposited. Okay, you will have to enter the amount which you want to withdraw. Then you have to enter your transaction password, and you have to click on OK. Then your withdrawal will be successfully transferred to your Binance account or a CoinDCX account. Okay, so I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, fam. Bye bye.